I think I could love her. Crimson and clover. If you're just learning to play guitar and you know a few open chords, but you're having trouble with your right hand and you really don't know what to do with it, and you're trying to build rhythm, Tommy James and the Shondells, Crimson and Clover is one of the best practices you can do. It's a cool song, it's simple, but it's got just enough in it, if you're a beginner, to challenge you. My name is Brandon, this is MyPOVGuitar. I guide you and help you to learn to play guitar from your point of view. So let's get to it. Tommy James and the Shondells, Crimson and Clover. In order to play in the key that the song is recorded in, capo on the 2nd fret. And your chords are E major, A major, and you can, however you play your A major, and D major. Okay, so it starts out in A, and that's your one strum with the two strums, and they're all downstrokes. So to the E, 2 downstrokes, to the D, 2 downstrokes. So if you're having trouble changing chords quickly, just practice that part. Start with the ah. 1 strum on the A for ah, 2 down strums, 2 down strums, 2 down strums. Now I don't hardly know her. Now it goes to the E, and you just pick string 6, 5, 4, and goes back to that 1 A strum that you started with ah. Now I don't hardly know her. And then it repeats the 2 strums for all 3 chords. So you've got now I don't hardly know her. Crimson and clover. So until it gets to the hard strumming, that's all it is. It just repeats. So it's 1 strum, 2 strums, 2 strums, 2 strums. Go to the E, arpeggiate. Back. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is a really good practice because, again, the song is in your head. If you've been around at all, you know this song. So you kind of know if you're playing it right. Even if you're playing it slower, you can pick it out. So if you're having trouble with your rhythm with your right hand, this is a good way to teach finesse because you're having to do the strums, you're having to change chords quickly, and you're also having to change between strumming and picking notes. But the song is slow enough, even in its original form, that it's just ripe for learning. So just work on Crimson and Clover and just work on speeding it up and getting all the things to work together. If you want more lessons, go to mypovguitar.com. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.